to my channel. This is Megha Agarwal once again with another makeup tutorial. In this makeup tutorial, I will be showing you what makeup should be worn on the first day of your college. I wore this makeup as well on my first day of the college and suggest to people to try this makeup as well. As everybody's college is starting after this lockdown, I request you all to try this makeup, and if you like this makeup, please let me know. So without wasting time, let's begin with our makeup tutorial. So let's apply moisturizer first. We're done with our moisturizer. Now the second step is applying primer. We apply primer to protect our skin from this harmful chemicals this makeup consists. Basically, primer is used as a base. So let's apply it all over our face. I'm using the Swiss Beauty Golden Pink shade primer. You can use blender as well for applying primer, but I will be using my fingers. So we're done with our primer. Now we'll be applying a concealer. I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer for my skin. We'll apply under our eyes in a triangle, upside down triangle. In this dark areas. You can apply it wherever you have these dark spots. Now we'll blend it using a blender. So we are done with our concealer. We blended it well. Now to set this concealer, we will be using some loose powder. You can use compact as well. I'm using this compact from Maybelline New York. With the help of the brush, I'll set this concealer. So we're done with our compact also. Now the next step is applying foundation. You need to apply foundation all over your face and blend it well with the help of a blender. I'm using this foundation from Lakme. You can use some other foundation as per your skin tone. Due to this lockdown, I couldn't get the foundation. My foundation is left in the hostel, so I'm using this foundation right now. So we are done with our foundation. Next step is applying a highlighter. I'm using this shade. To blend it well. I like to apply highlighter, like it's the best part of the makeup as per me. So we're done with our highlighter. Next step is applying blush all over your cheeks. Since I don't have any blush thing here, so I'll be applying this cheek color from Lakme 925. This shade is Cocoa Soft. I'll be applying here. And I'll blend it well. And I'll blend it well. We're done with our cheek color as well. Now the next step is the eye makeup. I'll not be applying eyeshadow. I'll just apply mascara, eyebrow pencil and eyeliner. So let's begin with applying eyebrow pencil. I have this eyebrow pencil from Maybelline New York. The shade is gray, and the front side it has pencil, and the back side is the brush. So what will I do is eyebrow pencil. So we're done with our eyebrow pencil. Now let's move on to eyeliner. I'm using this Maybelline New York, the Colossal Eyeliner. With the eyeliner, now we'll be applying mascara. We are done with our mascara as well. I had used Maybelline Super Curl mascara. Now the next step is our last thing, which is the lipstick, and our makeup look will be completed. So I'm using this Lakme Forever Matte shade number 10 Mauve Fling. So let's apply it. The makeup look. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.